Okay, right now let's talk about one of the most important part of Microsoft Word, and that is Smart Art. Smart Art is another big important part in Microsoft Word to use these days in order to bring more visuals and then to understand the user. So Smart Art is available for us right now, and we're gonna do a lot with this, of course, with the project that I'm gonna show you and how you can do that. Okay, so in here we have a lot of things to cover, like all. So you have all and everything. So you can see right now, and it means it's all sort of smart art available for you. That you can see right now in list in here. We have also process. You can see that as well. You can see the cycle type, hierarchy, relationship, metrics, and pyramid, and then we have picture. So we have different type of that. When we have different types of Microsoft Smart Art available for us. The one thing that I'm gonna work with you is about to cycle, okay? The process or cycle, okay? It's different a little bit. So I'm gonna go with the continuous cycle and type out something. And then I'm gonna go with this because it's 3 and it fits our needs. So I'm gonna go with this. Now, when I'm teaching when I'm teaching touch typing, I teach really based on 3 things. Number 1, the user should understand the really typing rules, okay, how to sit down and how to use computer, and then keyboard rules, okay, and then speed and accuracy. So it's into 3 cycles that are really cycling together to make to make it really efficient for the user in order to type better. So that's keyboard rules, typing rules, and then speed and accuracy rules. So we have these 3 cycles to manage in touch typing to really then understand how to type better. So first is typing rules, then is keyboard rules I should understand. For example, how to use keys instead, okay? And how you to use rhythm. So I'm gonna say rules. I'm gonna make their fonts better and bigger. So then we understand it. Yeah. And make them really fit nicer, like where should we pick up like assistant is better. And then making it smaller a little bit. Okay, we did it. And I'm gonna make this a little bit bigger. 18. 18. All right. So we are already making our cycles, touch typing cycles using SmartArt. Now you can do that as well in order to really make user understand you and really fit nicer. So you can say, for example, you can come up and you can just say design. And anytime you bring a new SmartArt, so you have a new tool and manual, and that's called design and format. So we're gonna go and pick up one on things that are matter for us. So number 1 is add shape. So you can add shape using this. You can add shape, or you can go and add shape or like above or below. So that's also possible for you. You can add bullet as well. And we have also text pan, where you can see in here. This is text pan. So this is text pan, as you can see right over here. This is text pan, and we already know how to enable it in here using that, okay? So let's go to the design. We have also promote and demote. We have also right to left direction, but for this, my smart art, there's not available. We can move up and move down. We can also change the layout, of course, but for this, we are not able to change the layout. We can go to styles and we can pick up any style we wanted, like this one, like this one. Now, if you want more layouts, so you go to more layouts and you choose and pick up the one that fits the need of your project, and that fits your the project requirement. Sorry. And then we are going to go to color, and we have many different colors in here, like these colors that are available for us. For example, this color. And also we have smart art styles. any style you want it. But don't go too much complicated. Don't be too much complicated, because complication really makes the user lose you. So we have alter reset graphic as well. We have then for format. Format, we can also, if it's into 3D version, so we can edit it into 2D. For now, it's itself is in 2D, so there's no need to change to edit in 2D because itself is in 2D. We have change shape. We can change a particular shape to another. We have larger, smaller. We can make something larger and smaller. We have then shape style. It's the same that's as text box. As you can see, the same options. So these are the same options as the same as text box.